just 2 o'clock for brother. The customer tell me where to drop the car, the shop, the address and whatever. I drop the car. I reach here, the Moroccan mechanic go tell me. The mechanic go tell motherfucking me, put it in that spot. So, I take out that car and I give him. I roll on the car from the truck bed. I roll on the car from the truck bed. And I fucking tell him, buy my air gauge, yeah. So I roll on the car from the truck bed and take out the keys and put it on the roof. He's like, what are you doing? I say, what I'm supposed to do, what I getting paid to do. He's like, I tell the point on the spot, I say, well, did you read the fucking card I give you? He said, no, I said, that Moroccan card there, show me where the fuck it say Valley parking on it. My man mad. I said, just say Valley parking on that bumbo or something they do. Your job is to figure out where the fuck you want. If it was nice, I would have helped you put it on that spot. But fuck you, since you're an asshole. Wait, fuck. You think you pay me enough motherfucking money to push Moroccan car? Stupid motherfuckers. All the mechanic and them people them there, all I need to wake up, man. I told truck guy I would fight to get that fucking money on my truck. When I reach here and I drop a rocker, it's your motherfucking job to figure out where you want the car and how the fuck you gonna get it. If you be nice, I might try and help you. I go angle my truck in a way to help you. But if there's a pussy hole, you gonna fucking figure it out. Fucking idiot boy them. Telling me to put it in that spot. I show him, I say read the motherfucking door, wait it say. No way in a motherfucking truck here with a car or business say nothing but motherfucking valet parking. Fuck wrong with them, man.